Make sure to subscribe and don't forget to click the notification button for more videos. Thank you. So guys, first we are going to start off with the shape of his head. First we are going to draw a line. Then we are going to draw a curve that goes all the way around like this. Then we will make a rectangle and put a little comma in it. Then we will make a little line and curve it all the way to connect with the starting line. So guys, then we will make a straight line, and now we will bring it to the other side and bring it all the way down. Then we are going to make another line starting from the first line like this. Then we are going to make an oval. Then we are going to make another oval. Then we are going to make a circle at the side. Then we are going to color it. Then we are going to make its nose. Now then we will make an upside down house shape without the ground. Then we are going to make a shape like this. Oh, I kind of did it wrong. So we can use an eraser for erasing it. So guys, after that we will make a mango shape upside down. Then we'll make a line, but we will not connect it all the way down. We will make it go to the end of the shape. Then we will go down but behind. So then we can dark up this place to complete its mouth. So guys, then we'll make his body. We will make his neck first, starting with the body. First we'll make a shape like this and curve that goes all the way through it. So guys, then I'm going to start with its body. So I'm going to draw this, and guys, after that I'm going to do like this and this all the way like an oval. Guys, after that we can make another rectangle through it and color it back. So guys, after that we will have to connect a line all the way there. Then we will bring it down and bring it all the way, and we will make sure it has the same height. And guys, after that we will make a line like this. Then we'll make another line at the same length, and we'll connect it all the way together. Then we will make a rectangle and make another rectangle connecting from his large arm till this rectangle. Then we'll draw a straight line that connects all the way through it. Then we will make a curve and make a straight line, and then we'll make another curve and make a straight line and go all the way curve, and then we'll stop. And then we will put the nail and then put some lines for his fingers. Good job, guys. After that we will do on the left side. We will do the exact same like this, like this and like this. And then we will make another box and we're gonna change it. This time we are going to make a horizontal shape. And after that we're going to put a little circle in it and make a long arm connecting just like the other one. And now we will connect it all the way together. Then we'll make a rectangle shape. Then we'll make it go forward and connect it back to the other side. Then we need to make a curve, make a line, make a curve, and connect it all the way to the other side. Then we're gonna make his nail. So here we make a black little square, and then we're going to make curves for his fingers. So guys, now his body is missing. Now we are going to draw the same shape on the right side, like a curve, and we go down like this and we connect it to the other side. And after that guys, we will make a upside down U which is fat and connects all the way there. So guys, then I will make like this, and guys, then I will connect it all the way here till here. So guys, this is more much of our custom cyborg. So now we will do like this and match it up and make a horizontal line to connect it with the other place. So after that we'll make another curve which is pointing down. And after that guys, we're gonna make the legs. First we're gonna make this, and then make like this. So guys, then we're gonna make his shoes. And guys, now we made a shoe by curve and then a straight line and going all the way back and connecting it to the other side. After that guys, we will do the same just like we did on the other side, like this, and like this, and then we do the exact same shoe like on the other side. So guys, we have made a robot, but now we have to add more details. We have to put in the chest, we have to put in the beam that comes out from his body on our robot. So there it is, his black beam. And now guys, we can add a rectangle and make lines in it. Then we can make another line just like a capital H. Then we can make a circle for his logo. Then we can make lines connecting out, small lines connecting out of it, matching. And guys, there it is, our robot. And guys, it's okay if our drawings look a little different, because the most important thing is how much hard work we do. So guys, the last thing he's missing is his eye. And guys, we are done with our robot. But guys, there's only one thing. Guys, the one thing missing is the color. So guys, now we will grab a pencil and guys, then we will color his arm with with shading of a pencil. And I'm coloring his other rift. And guys, this will be his communicating giant watch. We will color that dark brown, and then we will color his neck black, the rest of his neck black. After that, we will color his legs turquoise. Okay guys, now there is only a little bit more to go. We are coloring this right now, and guys, if you haven't dropped a like on this video, drop it right now, because this is going to be a very fun drawing. I hope you had fun. Now a little bit is just left. Now we have to color his shoes brown. So guys, now we have colored his shoes. We will color his full body yellow. So guys, now we are nearly done. And guys, it's okay if it's taking a lot of time, because good things take a lot of patience. So guys, we're done with our drawing. And guys, once again, if you haven't dropped a like on this video, like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell for more videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked this video.